For sample problem number 8, a price tag of 150,000 is payable in 60 days. A 3% discount is offered if paid in 30 days. So, tinatanong what's the rate of simple interest. Now, this is another variation of problem pero in conjunction with the discount. So, meron din tayong tinatawag kasi na discount rate, no? So, ito yung 3% na nandito. Now, ang nangyayari, so, etong si 150,000, supposed to be babayaran mo siya ng in 60 days. However, kung magbabayad ka daw ng mas maaga, so 30 days lang, so meron kang discount na 3%. Now, ang gawin muna natin, compute natin, ano ba yung equivalent ng 3% na yan. So, yung total discount price, no, hindi discounted price. So, ang discount price, ito yung, or not discount price, the discount is the total amount na isusubtract dun sa supposed to be babayaran. So, that's 150,000 times 3%. So, ang 3% natin, that's 0.03. So, computing 150,000 times 0.03, that's 4,500. So, this is the discount. Ngayon, ang discounted price natin, yung 150,000, babawasan mo ng discount na 4,500. So, ang discounted price is, so 150,000 minus 4,500. So, this is equivalent to 145,000 and 500 pesos. So, that's the discounted price. So, itong 4,500 na to, it can be thought of as the interest saved for paying 30 days earlier. So, ngayon, yung interest earned in 30 days is basically based siya sa principal na 145,500 lang. Na di ba ang formula natin for I still equivalent siya kay PIN. Ngayon, yung interest earned, basically, sabi ko nga, yung 4,500 na to, pwede nyo siyang isipin as the kapalit or the replacement or the, kumbaga, as a reward bilang nagbayad ka ng mas maaga. So, pwede mo isipin na si 4,500 na discount as the interest earned with a principal na 145,500. So, salpak natin siya dito kay I is equals to PIN. So, 4,500 equal to 145,500 times I. So, tinatanong is yung I na to, the rate of simple interest times N. So, yung N natin, so, nagbayad ka ng 30 days na mas maaga. So, di ba yung N natin kay simple interest, base siya kay, so either 360, 365, or 366. Pero since hindi binanggit what type of simple interest, so, ang default natin, ordinary. So, over 360. So, ang araw na mas maaga kang nagbayad, it's basically 30 days. So, that's 30 days over 360. So, computing, we have an I here. So, cross-divide lang, no? So, yung I, pwede nyo siyang i-input as 4,500 divided by 145,500 times 30 over 360. Which will give you a value na 0.37113. Or in percent, this is 37.113%. So, ito na yung ating rate of simple interest. Na meron tayong alternative formula, no? Pero si discount kasi is actually para pasana siya doon sa mga next topic natin. Pero sisingit ko na lang din dito, no? So, the relationship ng simple interest rate and discount rate is this formula. So, I is equal to D over quantity 1 minus D times N. So, yung D, that's the discount rate. So, si discount rate natin for this problem, ito siya. Ito yung small t natin. Now, pwede nating i-check given na binigay naman yung 3%, no? So, yung I, we can compute it as 3% or yung 3% natin, that's 0.03 divided by 1 minus 0.03 times yung n. So yung n natin is still based on simple interest na 30 over 360. Let's try to compute it kung parehas lang. 0.03 over 1 minus 0.03 times 30 over 360. So that's 36 over 97 or 0.37113. So parehas lang sila, no? So mas direct actually kapag ginamit itong formula ito, no? Pero hindi ko siya muna ginamit dun sa una nating solution kasi ang gusto ko kung maintindihan nyo is itong pinaka-principal pa rin ng simple interest natin. Okay, so that's our sample problem number 8.